Omwiteeka eryahiibwe abahoima Sugar omwaka 2020 bwanyuma y'ababunyoro Kitara Kingdom okubaheereza itaka rikwingana square miles 22 aha kibira ekya Bugoma okugira ngu babaase kuhingamu ebikwijo. Okwiha obwo hatwire hariho okwetomboita ngu hariho okushiisha ekibira obari kuhingamu ebicoori abarutireho n'abo abari kutema ebiti kwosya amakara kandi emirango iture neruga omu bitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe. Raji Sekaram owa Hoima Sugar nashoborora ngu ekitongore kikahinga ebikwijo aha mwanya oguri kwingana square miles 9 n'obutonyezi 2 ahari square miles 22 ngu kandi itaka erindi likasigwaho ahi bashanjire ngu abantu bakatandika kurihingwamu ebicoori.
22 square miles. This 9.24 will be taken for sugarcane cultivation. Balance 12.76 has to be under the tree cover. But we find that most of the area is degraded.
Fred Chiza ori Chief Warden owa Makshon National Park ajwekera Executive Director owa Uganda Wildlife Authority nagira ngu n'ekintu ekiri kuhenda amateeka okushanga ngu omwirindiro ry'enyamaishwa nihahingwamu ebicoori kandi obwo bahigira abantu okureba ngu tibagarukamu bari kugira ngu orije kukwatirwamu naija okwitwarwa omu mbuga z'amateeka.
Including transit on the road, you'll be arrested, you'll be prosecuted, and we are mandated to stop whoever is found cultivating, harvesting maize.
Dr. Barirenga akankwasa ori Executive Director owa NEMA kandi ori omugenyi mukuru yashoborora ngu bakasharamu okugira ngu ebitongore ebitari bimwe na bimwe bibase okwihwa omu myanya nkeegi ebyobuhangwa ngo babanze bakore ekikwetwa Environmental Social Impact Assessment kandi batunge certificate ngeyahibwe aba Hoima Sugar.
In a forested ecosystem, that's not going to happen. If it does, whoever does it will be arrested and prosecuted because the certificate was valid in 2022 and that land was cancelled from urban settlement to forest, natural forest conservation.
Dr. Barirenga nayongera ashoborora ngu ahansi y'iteka area Environment Restoration Order bakikirizingana ngu bagire ebitongore ebibayikiriza okugira ngu bibase kukora nka third parties omukureberera na no kugaruzaho ebyobuhangwa bwensi ngu kandi kubaherize kucondoza bashanga ngu aba Jane Goodall Institute bine okwemalirira kandi babasa kukora omulimo ogwo.
Contiguous forest, a continuation of Bugoma ecosystem in this landscape. That's what we should be seeing. And the people of Chikube, you need to know that you cannot survive without the forest.
Godwin Angalia ori RDC wa Chikube ahabwira abantu okureba ngu bagendera aha mateeka.
Can we have some change kind of character? What is legal should be respected. I don't want tomorrow someone telling me, yeah, this again people have come. We don't know these people.
Gashakwa Gada Saba ahabwa Tayari West.